Hi, once again. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, 2024. Today I have to borrow money from the bank to support my first daughter's study abroad in the UK. So I would be a little bit busy, and from now on, I have to pay up a lot of interest and installment of the principal. So from now on, I need to save a lot of money, but also I will continue to study English by reading an English article each day. Today, I just picked this one for you, and I will focus on pronunciation, instant pickup, instant memorization of good expressions. This article is from Sean Kate, January 24th. 2024. It's a 3-minute read. It will be like a 15-minute read for me, I think. Some drivers are just finding out what the button on their seatbelt is for. Yeah, we live in a world today where undisclosed product features go completely unnoticed. Take cars. There are any number of features whose purposes are lost even to long-time drivers. A viral TikTok video posted by at Epic Facts has called attention to one such feature, the button on your seatbelt. The use is as simple as it is eye-opening. People are realizing they might have been driving around in their cars without ever understanding a fundamental aspect of them. The TikTok seatbelt revelation. The TikTok poses in the video answers a question I always caught myself looking at. Why does every seatbelt in the car have this mysterious button? The video gives the logic behind the seatbelt clicker's existence. The buckle has a slot that the button prevents from sliding past it. This way, the seatbelt buckle is always in the right place for the drivers to clip the belt in. Viewers' reactions in the comments section fell into one of two schools of awareness. I could never have thought of that seatbelt thing. Mind blown. Versus, you are kidding. You didn't know you could do that with a car? Following the video, social media networks became full of debate over general awareness of what was for many people a fairly basic automotive feature. Divided opinions on seatbelt knowledge while the TikTok So where were we? Divided opinions on seatbelt knowledge while the TikTok video brought attention to a previously overlooked aspect of seatbelt design. Opinions on its common knowledge status are divided. Some individuals, as seen in the comments, were surprised by the revelation, stating, "Not me passing that button so many times." On the flip side, there are those who asserted that knowledge of the seatbelt button was widespread, with one commenter noting, "I thought we all knew about the seatbelt." The commenter, right? Commenter noting, right? Commenter noting. Asserted that it, the seatbelt's viral role amidst the social media discourse on the seatbelt button. It's crucial to emphasize the importance of seatbelts in general. Seatbelts are paramount in ensuring survival during a crash. In 2021, half of all passenger vehicle occupants who died in crashes weren't wearing a seatbelt. Over the years, seatbelts have been estimated to have saved over 374,000 lives from 1975 to 2017. The TikTok revelation serves as a reminder of the intricate features present in our vehicles, often overlooked or misunderstood. While some may debate the common knowledge of the seatbelt button, the overarching message remains clear: buckle up for safety. Seatbelts are not just a mundane accessory, they are instrumental in preventing fatalities in road accidents. As a community, it is vital to promote the habit of consistently wearing seatbelts, as emphasized by the campaign Click It or Ticket. The road to awareness. The TikTok video revelation has stirred conversation and reflection among the drivers about the complexities of their vehicles. Whether or not the purpose of the seatbelt button was common knowledge, the broader takeaway is the need for continual education on vehicle safety features. Understanding these elements not only enhances our driving experience, but also contributes to the collective effort to reduce road fatalities. As we navigate the roads, let us remember the significance of buckling up for our safety and the safety of those around us. Well, this article is just nothing significant. The buckle has a slot that the button prevents from sliding past it, right? So that's it. Thanks for listening.